Okay, good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to tackle now the Science 10 Term 1 Week 4. This is day 2, the title Using Atomic Mass and Formula Mass to Explain Conservation of Mass. Objectives: explain the relationship among atoms, atomic mass, formula mass, reactants, products, and the law of conservation of mass. Calculate formula mass and missing masses in simple chemical reaction situations using addition or subtraction, and value careful computation and honesty in recording scientific results. For motivational activity, chemistry check out, find the correct receipt. Okay, purpose. This activity introduces the idea that every chemical formula has a computed mass similar to adding item prices to a receipt. Materials, formula cards prepared by the teacher. Okay, ito yun. Atomic mass reference card or pwedeng gumamit ng periodic table of element. Answer card showing formula masses. Okay, ito yung atomic mass reference card. O ano natin ito? Pwede nyo itong i-kopya sa inyong notebook. Hydrogen, ang atomic mass niya is 1. Pero makikita naman ito sa periodic table of element. Carbon, that is 12. Oxygen, 16 ang kanyang atomic mass unit. Sodium, that is 23. Magnesium, 24. Chlorine, 35.5. And calcium is 40. So directions, form 5 small teams. Each team receives one formula card. Use the atomic mass reference card to compute the formula mass. Once finished, one representative proceeds to the front and selects the answer card matching the team's computed value. The class checks whether each chemistry receipt is correct. O kung papansin niyo dito, ayan, yung H2O, involved yan yung dalawa hydrogen saka oxygen. Dalawang atom ng hydrogen, that is 2 dito sa computation, and then 1 yung kanyang atomic mass, that is equivalent to 2. 2 times 1 plus 16 kasi 1 atom lang ito, itong sa oxygen 16, kaya naging total of 18. Pakita natin sa ibang representation ito. Tingnan niyo po ito. Paano ba nakuha yung 18? Ito, H2O. Ang hydrogen, dalawang atom. So, sulat mo yung dalawang atom. 2 times 1. Yung 1, ano ba yan? Yung atomic mass unit dun sa reference card na pinakita natin. So, ito times mo yan, the number of atoms, atom times the atomic mass. So, 2 times 1 equals 2. Ang oxygen, ilan ang atom? Okay, 1. Tama. Ilan ang kanyang atomic mass? That is 16. 1 times 16, that is 16. So, i-plus mo yung kabuuan nun, 2 from the hydrogen and 16 from the oxygen, that is 18. Kaya ang formula mass ng water is 18. Another example, balikan natin yung ayun, sa calcium chloride. Ito medyo ano po ito, calcium chloride. Tingnan natin, bakit siya naging 111? Di po ba ang calcium ay 40 ang kanyang atomic mass at ang chlorine is 35.5. So dito sa calcium chloride, i-compute natin. Ito yung calcium chloride. Ilan ang atom ng calcium dito? Okay, 1. Ilan ang kanyang atomic mass? 40. So 1 times 40, the total mass of calcium is 40. Itong chlorine naman, dalawa ang atom. Tama po ba? Kasi chloride. Dalawa. Ang kanyang atomic mass unit is 35.5. Ito times nyo lang yan. 2 times 35.5, that is 71. So, add yung lahat ng total, that is 111. Kaya ang formula mass ng calcium chloride is 111. O sana malinaw po yun. Okay, scenario, the moisture absorber sample. A science class studies calcium chloride, a compound used in some moisture absorbers because it can attract water from the air. In a model reaction, calcium combines with chlorine gas to produce calcium chloride. So itong chemical equation na to, calcium reacts with chlorine gas resulting to calcium chloride. So the data, ano ba yung mga substance na involved? We have calcium, chlorine gas, and calcium chloride. So the mass of calcium is 40 gram. The correct formula mass is 18. Chlorine gas is 71 gram. The correct formula is 44. So kung i-compute natin yan, ilan dapat yung calcium chloride? So kung ang formula mass nitong kabuuan is 40, ilan dapat? So that should be 111. What are the reactants in the reaction? O yan. The reactants are calcium and chlorine gas. What is the product in the reaction? Okay, the calcium chloride. Using the law of conservation of mass, what is the expected mass of calcium chloride produced? So, yung product. So, that should be 111. So, what atomic masses support? What atomic masses support the mass of calcium chloride? 40. Ito yung atomic mass ng calcium. Dahil 1 lang ang kanyang atom ng calcium, kaya 40 lang din. So, yung chlorine, dalawa. Chloride siya, dalawa. So, 2 times 35.5. Yung 35.5, yan yung given na atomic mass na makikita din natin yan sa periodic table of element. So, multiplying 35.5 by 2, that is 71, plus 40, that is 111. How does this computation demonstrate the law of conservation of mass? Kung titignan natin, kung ipa-plus mo yung sa reactants, sa calcium, individually, kukunin mo yung calcium. Ito nasa taas, tingnan nyo ito nasa taas na to. Yung calcium, 40, plus chlorine, dalawa yan. So, 2 times 35.5, that is 111. Ganon din dito, kapag kinompute mo, that is 111. So, dapat balance. 111 grams in the react also should be 111 grams to the product. Ito, important vocabulary or the terms. The smallest unit of an element that retains the properties of that element. Okay, that is atom. The average mass of atoms of an element commonly shown on the periodic table. Okay, that is the atomic mass. Bakit tinawag siya na average mass? Kung babalikan natin yung isotopes, may iba't ibang uri. Halimbawa, hydrogen, may iba't ibang uri ng hydrogen. Pero isa lang din ang kanyang number of electron and proton. So, ano din siya? Hydrogen. Pero magkakaiba sa number of neutron. So, pag sinabing average na, yung pinagsama-sama, so, nagbabago ang iba't ibang uri. So, ang kinukuha niya sa atomic mass is the average. So, the total mass obtained by adding the atomic masses of all atoms in a chemical formula. Okay, that is formula mass. Yun. Pag pinagsama-sama mo pala lahat ng masses ng lahat ng atom na involved, lahat ng element na involved sa isang chemical formula, ang tawag doon is chemical formula mass. A substance present before a chemical reaction. Okay, reactant. A substance formed after a chemical reaction. Okay, product. A symbolic representation of a chemical reaction. Chemical equation. An equation with equal numbers of each type of atom on both sides. Oh, that is balance. Atomic mass reference table. O ito, kanina inano na natin yun. Ang hydrogen, 1 ang kanyang atomic mass. Carbon is 12. Oxygen is 16. Sodium is 23. Magnesium 24. Chlorine 35.5. Calcium is 40. Barium 137. Iodine is 127. How to find formula mass? To calculate formula mass, number 1, identify the elements present in the formula. Siyempre, kailangan alam mo yung mga element. Kasi pag di mo alam, paano mo makukuha yung kanyang atomic mass? Identify the number of atoms. Yun, kaninang ginawa natin. Kunin mo na muna ilang atom. And then multiply the atomic mass by the number of atoms. Add all computed masses. Kagaya nga nitong pinakita ko kanina na may arrow. Kung kagaya nito, number of atoms ng hydrogen is 2, atomic mass is 1, so 2 times 1, the computed mass is 2. Sa oxygen naman, 1, 16, 16, 1 times 16, so total 18. Therefore, the formula mass of water is 18. O ito, kagaya nitong, balikan lang natin yung kanina. Kung yung table ay mahirap sa inyong maintindihan, ito, mas simple ito. Isulat mo itong chemical formula niya, H2O ng water. So, ilan ang atom ng hydrogen? O, di ba? Dalawa. Ilan ang kanyang atomic mass? 1. So, 2 times 1 equals 2. Ang oxygen, ilan ang atom? Okay, 1. Ilan ang kanyang atomic mass? That is 16. So, 1 times 16, that is 16. Adding all the masses of the element involved, that is 18. Okay, carbon dioxide. O, ganun din. Ang carbon atom niya ay 1 lang sa carbon dioxide na formula. So, atomic mass is 12. 1 times 12. Ang oxygen niya, 2 sa carbon dioxide. That is 2 times 16, 32. Ang 16 ulit is the atomic mass of oxygen. So, total is 44. Solving for missing mass. The law of conservation of mass may be written as mass of reactants equals to the mass of products. Okay, finding product mass. Lithium reacts with sulfur to produce lithium sulfide. So, ilan dapat ang lithium sulfide? Alam nyo na yan. Ipag-plus nyo lang yan. That is 46. Therefore, 46 gram of lithium sulfide is formed. A metal reacts with oxygen and produces 80 grams of metal oxide. If the metal initially has a mass of 48 gram, what is mass of oxygen reacted? Kung 80 gram daw, yung metal oxide, yung nabuo, yun na yung product po yung 80 gram. If the metal initially has a mass of 48 gram, ilan daw yung mass ng oxygen na nag-combine para makabuo nung yung product na 80 gram? So, ayan, X. So, gamitan natin ng mathematical equation using the X or unknown. So, itinawid natin yung 48 gram, yung positive. Pag itinawid sa right side, magiging siyang negative. So, 80 minus 48, that is 32 grams. Therefore, 32 grams of oxygen reacted. Conclusion. Atomic masses and formula masses help explain how substances combine in chemical reactions. Since mass is conserved, the combined mass of the reactants must be equal to the combined mass of the products. Accurate computation allows scientific results to be verified and connected to the law of conservation of mass. Okay, for activity, mass tracker, complete the chemical evidence file. Direction, complete all parts of the worksheet individually. Show your solution where computation is required. Use the atomic mass reference table provided in the lesson. Yung unang part, yung kagaya sa hydrogen is 1, sa oxygen is 16, sa carbon is 12. Write the correct scientific term described in each statement. The smallest unit of an element that retains its properties, the answer is atom. The sum of the atomic masses of all atoms in a chemical formula, okay, that is formula mass. Substances used up or changed during a chemical reaction, okay, reactants. New substances formed during a chemical reaction, okay, products. Next one, calculate the formula mass of each substance. Sige nga, yang sa chemical formula ng oxygen, dalawang atom, ilan ang kanyang atomic mass? That is 16. So, ilan ang formula mass? That is 32. Ito, magnesium oxide. Tig-isa lang. Isang magnesium, isang oxygen. Yan. Carbon dioxide. O, kayo nang sasagot niyan. Carbon dioxide and sodium chloride. Okay, solve each problem. Itong number 9. Magnesium reacts with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. If 48 gram of magnesium reacts with 32 gram of oxygen, what mass of oxygen oxide is produced? So, solution, ayan, 48 gram of magnesium. Kasi 1 lang naman yung kanyang atom. 32 gram of oxygen. So, pag pinag-plus mo, 80. Resulting to 80 grams of magnesium oxide. Okay, number 10. Kayo nang sasagot po nito.